I want to compare these two bronzers because I've been using forever the NYX Wonder Stick. And I think it's about time I gave it up and switched to something new. Therefore, I bought the number 7 bronzer in the shade Light Glow. Pro Artist Soft Glow Cream Bronzer. And then this NYX is shade medium. So I'm going to do half of my face, NYX half, number 7, and compare and see which one looks better. Let me get my hair out of the way. So right now, all I have on my face is basically moisturizer and a light foundation by Huda Beauty. And let me go ahead and start with the Wonder Stick. This has been beat up real bad. So I'm gonna do half of where I would normally put my bronzer for, or not for contouring. That's what I meant to say, for contouring purposes. And I think that's, so those are the spots. So that's the NYX stick, NYX Wonder Stick. Did I get all the spots? Yeah. And okay, and I usually go for the neck also down here. Bing. There. And now I will do number 7. Okay. See, I don't know. There. Let me dip it again. There. There. And then, because that's all going to be blended out, right? I hope my lighting is good. Why is my eye black? Is it the light in here? I don't know. This is a Sigma brush. I don't know if this is the right brush to use. I always use this brush for blending my bronzer. But since I don't want to mix the bronzers with each other, I'm going to use this one for the number 7. Blend. Sometimes a finger works better. I already feel like the number 7 is shinier. It gives like a shiny finish. This side blended in. I'm looking really curly. Let me hurry up and blend this up. So tap, 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 blend, tap, 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 tap. I'm so tempted to brush it, like go like that. But I know that the professional makeup artists say tap, tap, tap to blend. But let's go with the flow. I'm gonna try and tap, tap, tap as much as I can. How is this looking? And it in. Tap, 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 tap. Is there any difference in this? This side looks a little darker. But then again, my skin is not perfect. I have many imperfections in my skin. Let me go ahead and do the powder. I'm using Maybelline Matte Poreless Fit Me powder. That's my dog. And let's just put some on the whole face. Or, I mean, I just go through my T-zone with this. Basically, T-zone, there, bam, bam, bam. It's a NYX setting spray. I mean, e.l.f. Why is there hairs all over the place here? Okay, let's set it. All right, now, how does it look? Any difference? What looks better? This half or this half? Can't tell. Looks the same. No, this side looks a little darker. What do you guys think? Look how shiny I am. Why am I so shiny? Whoa, what did I do? Is it the spray? Or am I sweating? What is wrong with me? Am I that shiny? There's something wrong here. I don't know what it is. Why am I so shiny? I don't know. The same brownish. Well, this one looks a little darker, but this feels darker. This looks darker on my face, but this one looks darker in person. For a more dewy look with the number 7. For more matte finish, I'll go with the NYX. I can really tell while I'm looking at myself in the camera any difference in shade or anything like that. But in person, it does look like that's the end result. Not much of a difference. They're both bronzers of the same quality. One's creamier, shinier. One is regular-ish looking. I just want to say God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.